Cryptocurrencies and event tickets. The evolution of how tickets are bought and sold. The integration of cryptocurrencies into the event ticketing industry is transforming the way tickets are purchased, distributed, and managed. This evolution offers enhanced security, transparency, and convenience, addressing many issues associated with traditional ticketing systems. Key innovations: blockchain-based ticketing. Cryptocurrencies leverage blockchain technology to create immutable records of ticket ownership and transactions. This helps prevent fraud and counterfeiting by ensuring that each ticket is unique and verifiable. Blockchain-based ticketing systems also provide a transparent audit trail, making it easier to track the provenance and authenticity of tickets. Smart contracts. Smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code, are used to automate ticket transactions and enforce event rules. For example, smart contracts can automatically issue tickets upon payment, transfer ownership securely, and even handle refunds or cancellations according to predefined conditions. This streamlines the ticketing process and reduces administrative overhead.